Is your bathroom sink draining so slowly that you just want to rip your hair out? Well, hang tight, because we're about to help you out. Hey everyone, this is Lou with Reluctant DIYers, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about bathroom sinks that drain slowly. Feels like it takes an eternity for that water to go down sometimes, doesn't it? Well, there are two key reasons why typically that will happen, and we're going to cover both of those today. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Now, if you look under your sink, you're going to see what is called the trap. It's often referred to as the U-trap because of the U shape of it. Makes sense, right? Has a U. This is the area where as water comes down and as debris comes down, it will get trapped, get it, in the bottom of the trap. So a wedding ring, whatever it might be, will get trapped in this section here. The water, as it comes down through, will flow out through to your drainage for the house, but things often get caught in this trap. So to fix this, we put a towel underneath to catch any water overflow, and then I also recommend putting a bucket or any sort of reservoir under here. Unscrew the two sections, the top and the bottom section here, remove the trap, empty it out, clear it out if there's anything in, put it back, re-screw the bottom, re-screw the top, and voila, you have emptied out and cleared your trap. Now, while that's one area where you can definitely find that slow draining clog in your sink drain, there's another that is more common than you would think. Before we go there, if you're finding that this video is helpful, please give it a like. I'd love it if you would mash that like button. Also, in the comments section, tell me about some of the problems that you're having with your bathroom sink. Is it stuck completely? Is it draining slowly? What experiences have you had? I'd love to hear more from you. But let's keep going into number 2. And this one is the one that most people don't think about that often. Now, it's really hard to show this one under the sink, so I have a spare drain assembly that I've pulled out to show you. And this is what it looks like. You have the lever that you use to operate the drain plug, and as you lift it up and down, you can see the drain plug opens and closes. But this section right here is where you run into most of your slow drainage issues. To fix that, you need to remove the lever so that you can get this lever piece down here, the pin, the coupling, removed in order to get the drain plug out of the sink. Just go ahead and loosen this, take it right off of here, and when you pull it out, you'll notice the piece that actually goes into the base of that drain plug that helps operate the up and down function. Go ahead and pull it out, and this is probably going to be covered in hair. It's gross, but just go ahead and wash this thing off as quickly as you can, clear it off, get all the hair off, and you'll notice to put it back in, there is this little section at the bottom. That needs to line up appropriately with the hole at the back of the drain assembly. Make sure you put this in the proper way. You can see here it's actually going inside of that area. Now you'll grab your pin and your coupling. You'll want to make sure that it goes inside of that hole so that the drain will function again. Go ahead and tighten up that coupling to make sure it has a good seal. Make sure it's on tight, but not too tight so you don't crack the plastic. Double check, make sure it's in the hole, you're good to go. Now you can grab your lever and reattach it. Pinch the banana clips, typically you'll find this on the back. Put it back on the lever here, double check, and just make sure that it works. Now you have cleared out the drain. Cleaning out those clogs can be really disgusting, right? But if you don't do it, it's just going to get worse. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please mash that like button. And as always, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep doing it yourself.